Hey, fellow viewers, and welcome back to another brilliant episode of Joel's Cooking Show. Once again, tonight I'll be showing you how to make cookies and cream chocolate milkshake with extra chocolate in it. So you're going to want some cookies and cream ice cream. I got the store-bought kind. You need a blender. Oh. Then after you put some ice cream in there, you're going to want to put some milk into the milkshake. Then you're going to want to add some chocolate syrup to the milkshake. So it should look like this. Alright guys, and that's how you make a simple cookies and cream, extra chocolatey milkshake. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for more awesome videos coming your way on Joel's Cooking Show.